What's that one say?
Don't say anything.
Oh, who was on it?
Megan.
Oh.
Oh my God, my head.
Oh, you okay?
Okay. Oh, yeah. That's called making on it.
Yeah.
Okay. This is my Christmas tree. Another snow place. It's not your Christmas. Not just your Christmas tree. It's both of ours.
And it's Mercy's too. It's the kids' Christmas tree.
And the other one's the family.
So yours too, Merce? You like the Christmas tree?
Everybody.
You like the Christmas tree?
Not a dolly yet. They're not dollies, cool.
What are they?
Yeah, something.
Something.
The fun's so good.
Hey guys, can you guys look at me and say Merry Christmas?
Yeah.